Hey cool cats and kittens, do you know what I have a gripe with? The wind. Yeah, all the time the wind. But not only that, also with people which can't pronounce names correctly. Names of places, names of people. For instance, I was just down a green island now, shooting some video with a drone. And there's this woman on the beach, she's on the phone with someone and she's like, oh yeah, we're just down Green Islands. No, it's not Green Islands, it's Green Island. Never mind. Here's some footage from Green Island, which funnily enough doesn't look green at all and doesn't look like much of an island either, because as you can see the tide is all the way out to Honolulu. What you gonna do?